Hi, I'm Steve, and well, normally I say welcome to the Maker's Cave, but if you've seen my videos, you can obviously tell this is not the Maker's Cave. Kinda. What we're doing is this is the new Maker's Cave. It's 600 square feet we're going to be moving into. It's going to give us a lot more room for more projects, paint booths, more assemblies of electronics and props, and our 3D printers and everything else. No more cramped into a 100 and some square foot little space there. I'll take you on a little tour to show you exactly what's going on. So over here is a desk. This most likely will not be here anymore. We're going to get rid of this. This will probably be where we do a lot of our leather work and sewing, things like that. And as we move a little bit closer, this is probably where I'll edit the videos and maybe some minor work, but mostly all editing the videos will be done right here. As we move down here, and we'll ignore the office on the left. I'll show you that last. Right around here is where Mrs. Maker is going to be having her work area. This is where, she'll do her work during the day, and she'll do some of her crafting that she'll be doing for the channel right here. The area we're in right now, this will probably be where we put a lot of the cutters, the vinyl cutters that we have that we'll be using. And in this space back here, as you can see, we bought some supplies that are necessary, like coffee and water. That's going to be where all the 3D printers are going to be going. Plenty of room there, and we're also going to have a rack for the heat press. Now, what I did want to show you here, which is what I'm all happy about, is right into here. Let's see if we can show it to you. This room, which has nice brand new LED lighting up top, that desk is going to be gone. Let me get you in here a little bit more. We're going to get rid of that desk, and this is going to be the new studio. So this studio alone is probably about as large as what I'm currently in right now that you're seeing me do my videos in. So this room will just be for videography, where we put together the models, the electronics, the props, everything else that I instruct you guys how to do, hopefully. We have to do something with the walls. There'll be displays on the back. Like I said, this desk will be gone. The workbench will be up here where you'll see me working on things. And then I'll be able to hang up all the models and all the paints and all the parts that we use. We're really excited about this. So that's a quick look at the new cave. Obviously, it's going to take us a few weeks to settle in, get everything all made. There's going to be quite a few infrastructure builds coming out. How we're going to build a new paint booth, some shelving with some bins for all the parts, because I have tons of resistors and relays and motors, Arduinos, everything you see me use here on the channel. I want to get that all set up. I need to set up a soldering station. I also need, what else do I need? Obviously a modeling station for our large scale models. We got a lot of infrastructure to hammer out here, and we'll take you along with that journey with us. So until next time, I'm Steve, and thanks for stopping by the new Maker's Cave.